After months of leaks, teasers and speculation, OnePlus has just unveiled the new OnePlus 6. As expected from this company, its latest flagship model includes cutting-edge hardware and follows all the latest trends. It also completely replaces its predecessor, the OnePlus 5T. With just 6 months passing between the launches of these two products, you might be wondering what all the fuss is about. Here are the 6 essential things you need to know about the new OnePlus 6 compared to the OnePlus 5T. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to be notified of all our new videos. First of all, the new OnePlus 6 is the first phone to be launched in India with Qualcomm's latest flagship processor, the Snapdragon 845. This gives it quite an advantage over the OnePlus 5T and the current top-end models from many other manufacturers. This new chip has 8 custom Cryo 385 cores running at up to 2.8 GHz, integrated Adreno 630 graphics, improved camera processing, high-speed LTE, and on-chip artificial intelligence capabilities. This should give us a nice bump in performance compared to the OnePlus 5T and the OnePlus 5 that came before it. OnePlus has shown that it's willing to jump on the latest trends even if it means launching an entirely new model in order to do so. Last year's 5T capitalized on the rush to embrace taller 18:9 screens, and now we have an even bigger 19:9 aspect ratio thanks to the use of a notch. Now, not everyone will love this, but it does allow OnePlus to claim an 84% screen-to-body ratio with narrow borders. This also means that the screen has grown from 6.01 inches to 6.28 inches diagonally. OnePlus 6 buyers will have 3 color and texture options to choose from instead of just one. This is the first OnePlus phone with a glass back, and the company has experimented quite a bit. The unit we have with us right now is called Mirror Black, and it has a smooth, shiny, reflective surface. There's also Midnight Black, which has a matte finish. It won't grab as much attention, but everyone who sees it will want to touch it. Finally, there's the Silk White option with its rose gold frame and accents. This one has a completely different feel, and OnePlus says that it was achieved by using actual pearl dust. While the two black options will be available with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, as well as 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, you can only get the higher-end variant in Silk White. Predictably, OnePlus has upgraded the cameras of the OnePlus 6 compared to the 5T. The primary and secondary cameras on the rear both have f1.7 apertures. The main camera gets a larger sensor for better light sensitivity, plus optical image stabilization, which was a much requested feature. The company is also boasting of intelligent features within the camera app to improve photo quality. Video recording resolution now goes up to 4K at 60 FPS, and you can also grab 480 FPS slow motion video at 720p. Last year, we were surprised by the OnePlus 5T Star Wars Limited Edition, and now the company has a new pop culture tie-up with Marvel. The OnePlus 6 Marvel Avengers Limited Edition will also be available only for a short time and comes with a few surprises in the box for fans. Some might also want to snap it up just for the carbon fiber texture that's visible beneath the glass rear. Expect this one to sell out as quickly as the Star Wars Limited Edition did. Finally, we come to the one point that everybody wants to know. OnePlus models have steadily increased in price over the years, but this time fans might actually be a little relieved. The OnePlus 6 is not going to put a much bigger dent in your bank balance than the OnePlus 5T did. That's especially impressive because this is a premium phone built using top-end components and materials, and today's competing flagships still cost a whole lot more. Thanks for watching. You can check out our detailed OnePlus 6 launch coverage and our first impressions of the device at gadgets360.com. Also, be sure to stay tuned for our detailed review coming up soon, in which we'll dig into the phone's performance, software, cameras, battery life, build quality, and much more.